Question number 11. This is the question. Which one of the following is not a sub-index of the World Bank's ease of doing business index? And the answer is maintenance of law and order, because all these three are the sub-index of the World Bank's ease of doing business index. ये हमारी जनरल स्टडीज इंडियन इकोनॉमी वॉल्यूम 1 पेज नंबर 118, and here it is clearly mentioned ease of doing business index, 10 indicators: paying taxes, registering property, construction permits. Indian Economy Volume 1, page number 118. Question number 12. This is the question. Which one of the following suggested that governor should be an eminent person from outside the state? And the answer is Sarkaria Commission. This is our Indian Polity book, Indian Polity, page number 79. And here it is clearly mentioned. It also agrees with the Sarkaria Commission recommendation that governor be an eminent person and not belongs to the state where he is to be posted. Sarkaria recommendation. Indian Polity, page number 79. Question number 13. This is the question. Consider the following statements. As per law, the Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority exists at both national and state level. Second statement is people's participation is mandatory. Answer is one only. ये हमारी सितंबर 2018 की करंट अफेयर्स की बुक है, पेज नंबर 1, और यहाँ पे पूरा मेंशन है कंपनसेटरी अफॉरेस्टेशन फंड, कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन. It establishes National Compensatory Afforestation Fund under Public Account of India and State Compensatory Afforestation Fund under public account of each state. There is no definition of Gram Sabha. It has been removed. So clear answer, September 2018 current affairs book, page number 1. Question number 14. This is the question. Consider the following statements. Agriculture soil release nitrogen oxide, cattle release ammonia, poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compounds. Answer is all three. Answer is D. ये हमारी जून 2018 की करंट अफेयर्स की पीडीएफ है, जून 2018, पेज नंबर 59. ये न्यूज़ है नाइट्रोजन एमिशंस गोइंग अप स्टडी. According to the latest report by Indian University, nitrogen particles make up the largest fraction. And here it is clearly mentioned, agricultural soils contributed to over 70% of nitrogen emissions. Cattle account for 80% of ammonia production. Poultry industry with an annual growth rate of 6% recorded an excretion of reactive nitrogen compounds. So here it is clearly mentioned, June 2018 magazine, page number 59. Question number 15. This is the question. In India, the use of carbofuran, methyl parathion, phorate, and trisophos is viewed with apprehension. These chemicals are used as, and the correct answer is, pesticides in agriculture. ये हमारी सितंबर 2018 की करंट अफेयर्स की बुक है, पेज नंबर 43. Here there is a news, organophosphorus pesticide detection gets simpler. Research team has been able to detect organophosphorus pesticides such as parathion. So parathion is clearly mentioned here. September 2018, page number 43. Question number 16. This is the question. In the context of which of the following do some scientists suggest the use of cirrus cloud thinning technique and injection of sulfate aerosol into stratosphere? Injection of sulfate aerosol into stratosphere, and the correct answer is reducing the global warming. ये हमारी नवंबर 2018 की करंट अफेयर्स की बुक है, पेज नंबर 73 और 74 पे. There is a news, stratospheric aerosol injection is news. Spraying some dimming chemicals high above the earth to slow global warming could be remarkably inexpensive, costing about 2.25 billion a year, according to study. Technique known as stratospheric aerosol injection. 1 kilogram of well-placed sulfur in stratosphere would roughly offset the warming effect of several hundred thousand kilograms of carbon dioxide. So the clear answer, November 2018 book, page number 73 and 74. Question number 17. This is the question. In the context of which of the following are the terms pyrolysis and plasma gasification mentioned? Extraction of rare earth elements, ये नहीं है. Natural gas extraction technologies, ये भी गलत है. Hydrogen fuel based automobiles, ये भी गलत है. And the correct answer is waste to energy technologies. ये हमारी जनरल स्टडीज इंडियन ज्योग्राफी की बुकलेट है, पेज नंबर 207. यहाँ पे ये टॉपिक में क्लियरली मेंशन है, सॉलिड बायोफ्यूल्स का टॉपिक है. ए डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सॉलिड बायोफ्यूल इज बायोचार विच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय बायोमास पायरोलिसिस. क्लियरली मेंशन है प्रोसेस. बायोचार मेड फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट कैन बी सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर वुड चारकोल. So the correct answer is D. Geography book, page number 207. Question number 18. This is the question. Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the, and the correct answer is Niti Aayog. ये हमारी अक्टूबर 2018 की करंट अफेयर्स की बुक है, पेज नंबर 56. एंड हियर इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड, अटल इनोवेशन मिशन इज नीति आयोग्स फ्लैगशिप इनिशिएटिव. October 2018 book, page number 56. Question number 19. This is the question. The Global Competitiveness Report is published by, and the correct answer is World Economic Forum. ये हमारी सितंबर 2017 की बुक है, पेज नंबर 73. Global Competitiveness Index 2017. Here it is clearly mentioned. Global Competitiveness Report released. India has been ranked 40th on World Economic Forum's Global Competitiveness Index. So the clear answer, September 2017, page number 73. Question number 20. This is the question. Which of the following are the reasons for the occurrence of multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogens in India? और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 2 and 3. Using antibiotics in livestock farming and taking incorrect doses of antibiotics to cure diseases. ये हमारी टेस्ट सीरीज थी IAS prelims 2019 के लिए, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव टेस्ट 3. इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है. Which of the following are the reasons responsible for developing antimicrobial resistance in humans? और इसके आंसर और एक्सप्लेनेशन में ये पॉइंट क्लियरली मेंशन है. Antimicrobial resistance occurs naturally, but is facilitated by inappropriate use of medicines. For example, using antibiotics for viral infections, etc. So the point B is clearly mentioned here. Correct answer is 2 and 3, and the third part, using antibiotics in livestock farming. ये हमारी सितंबर 2017 की करंट अफेयर्स की बुक, पेज नंबर 47. Bacteria getting resistance to antibiotics in poultry farms. The unfettered use of antibiotics to keep chicks healthy in poultry farms has led to the proliferation in bacteria which are resistant to the best of drugs used for fighting infections, according to study. So clearly mentioned, the point 3 is here. September 2017, page number 47. And test series, question number 14, comprehensive test number 3, question number 14, answer and explanation.